After months of speculation and a long wait, CA students can now comfortably conclude that the new scheme of ICAI will apply from the May 24 attempt and not the November 23 that we were hoping for. So if you have already cleared your CA foundation and you were waiting for the announcement for before you register, so I think you should not do that and you should immediately register yourself for the November 23 exam. So register yourself, order the study material and start preparing immediately. If you were planning to appear for CA Inter through the direct entry route and were waiting for the new scheme announcement, so you need not wait anymore, because the 9 months articleship as was applicable in the old course will continue to apply. So ensure that you complete your articleship and your IT course before you are eligible for the CA Inter exam through the direct entry route. If you still have any doubt, you can contact me on the number given in the description. So don't waste any time, students. Register yourself immediately, order the study material and start studying, because if you're planning to give both the groups in November, you have very little time to study and revise. We have already started providing new recordings for November 23 attempt for law. So new recordings are available on my website capreetyagarwal.com. We have also updated our books. Okay, so all second edition books for November 23 attempt and also May 23 are now available on my website. You can go and purchase it from there. If you have any query, you can contact me on the number given in the description box. Along with the new recordings, we have also started discussing all the exam questions, study material questions, compiler questions, MCQs in the lecture itself, because I know you students don't have much time and most of the time went in deciding whether the new scheme is going to apply or not. So this time we have decided that we will discuss all the questions in the class itself, so that you need not feel burdened after the lectures. Okay, you don't have to do anything on your own, everything will be covered in the lectures. And yes, podcast lectures, many students were asking, podcast lectures will also be provided along with the full course. They can be purchased from my website capreetyagarwal.com. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask. You can connect with me on the number given in the description and I would be very happy to help you.